Hello everyone, it's Christmas Eve and today we are making cookies. Well, some magical cookies with delicious fig filling. Here's how to make it. In a large bowl, add half cup of butter at room temperature. Then 1 cup of castor sugar and combine them. Use a hand mixer if you feel like you don't need any muscle activity today. Well, I know I don't want to. Well, I most certainly need it, but I simply won't. Anyways, in goes one of the 2 large eggs that is required for this recipe. Mix it into the mixture and repeat the process with the other one as well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of milk, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and mix for them to evenly dissolve into the mixture. We are going to add 3½ cup of all-purpose flour, but we are going to add it in small amounts, not all of it at once, because when we add 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, we want that to mix well into the mixture, and runny dough allows that. Then add half teaspoon of salt and nicely mix the cookie dough mixture. And keep adding flour bit by bit until all is in and a firm dough is formed. Divide the dough in 2 equal pieces. You don't have to be exact, eyeballing is just fine. Flatten them a bit and wrap them with stretch foil. Put the dough wraps in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or so while making the filling. Get 250 grams of dried figs in a saucepan with half teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 cup of water. Let it boil until figs get soft and water boils down. Then process the figs and mix them with 1 tablespoon of honey. Get your dough out of the fridge and roll out the dough. You can adjust thickness to your liking. Cut out the edges to get a nice rectangle. And make them 2 nicer rectangles by vertically cutting them in half. Leave 1 vertical mark on the inner or outer half of each dough and follow that line to fill the fig filling. Fold the empty side of the dough you're working with on the side with the filling. You can do this with your hand and then fix the shape of the dough, or by folding dough over with help of parchment paper you can place under. Well, I would recommend the latter because the end result is much more pleasing to the eye. After folding, cut cookies equally. and send them to oven at 180 Celsius for 15 minutes until cookies are mildly brown on the edges. After that, these magnificent cookies will be ready to eat once they are cooled. I think this year, Santa might have a new favorite after trying these fig-filled cookies. They are the best at satisfying dessert cravings with their natural sweet flavor. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you liked it, and tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.